Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. The topic on the table today is going over the upcoming merger vote to bring Proterra public.
Today's video will be broken down into 3 parts: the merger vote and why it will pass, what to expect from the overall merger, and is Proterra a buy before the ticker change.
Now to the merger and why it will likely pass. A merger marks the final point of any SPAC. Therefore, it is crucial for the merger to pass in order for the SPAC transaction to occur with its target company. Frequently, people ask the question, what if the merger is not approved, and in addition have major fears regarding the merger? These are all the reasons not to worry about this happening with the merger between ArcLight, Transition Corp, and Proterra. Number 1, ACTC is over its redemption of $10. For every SPAC, there is a redemption, meaning the price won't get back on their shares if the merger does not pass, or if the SPAC cannot find a target in time. Since the value of ACTC is significantly above its $10 redemption, it would not make sense for people to vote against the merger, as they would lose a lot of money in return. In fact, from the $19 level, which is the current level, that is a loss of nearly 50%. Number 2, since retail investors can be inconsistent with their voting, it is important to look at the institutional holdings, as they tend to be the ones that have the power to approve the merger. Companies like ChargePoint lacked institutional holding prior to their merger, making it difficult for the merger to pass. However, according to Fintel.io, institutions own 86.35% of ACTC. Since institutions' votes tend to be more reliable for the merger, if just 2/3 of institutions vote, then the merger would easily pass. With these 2 factors, it is quite improbable that the merger does not pass. Now on to what to expect from the merger. The merger will be exactly the same as other SPAC mergers, as ArcLight Capital and Proterra will undergo the same procedures. Taking this into account, we can look at the previous charts of SPACs going into their announcements and the day the ticker officially changes. First, let's take a look at SoFi, which you could also see our video on in the top right corner of your screen. May 28th was the merger agreement date, which shareholders approved the merger between IPOE and SoFi. The following trading day, the ticker changed from IPOE to ticker SOFI, SoFi. Let's take a look at the technicals leading up to the agreement and the ticker symbol change dates. Well, going back 2 weeks before the initial merger agreement date, we can see the stock moving higher in anticipation of this potential catalyst occurring on May the 28th. At the start of the week, May 24th, IPOE was trading at roughly $19, but it already gapped up significantly in the past week, as the proposed merger agreement was announced during that last week. This led to roughly a 30% gain from the proposed merger announcement to the day of the merger agreement.
Although SoFi is a prime example of an ideal stock run-up before a merger agreement and a ticker change, you have to take into consideration that anything could happen with Proterra's stock price. There are many factors that could influence the price action of a stock. This could range from the overall macro environment, new analyst ratings, price target upgrades, or even company news. So in conclusion, don't compare Proterra's potential price action to other recent SPACs and how they perform before or even after their ticker change, as anything could happen.
Now to the overarching question, is Proterra worth buying before the merger? Full disclosure, I do have shares in Proterra, and at these levels above my average, I continue to buy the stock with my free capital. In my opinion, Proterra is easily worth buying before the merger, and even after the merger if you get in at a cost basis of around $20. Proterra is not only fundamentally great, as you can see in our other video in the top right corner of your screen, but it also attracts a lot of investors that place a high multiple on these electric companies. We have to remember that Proterra is not just another no-revenue electric company, but it's a company with millions and millions in revenue and potential to expand at an exponential pace. Thus, its opportunity is vast.
Make sure to go check out our Instagram page right over here where we post daily stock market picks and updates.
Make sure to check out our StockSwitch Twitter and Discord, all linked in the description below, as well as hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, hit that juicy red tomato subscribe button to keep up with our videos, and as well as those post notifications. We are getting close to 150 subscribers, and thank you guys so much for all the support so far. We really, really, really appreciate it. Finally, we would really also appreciate if you left a comment below telling us something we can improve on or a video suggestion for next time, as we are always looking to make every video better than the last. Other than that, thank you guys for watching and have a great day and good luck on your investment journey.
Bye.